Viewers, welcome to Everything with Bella's channel. Today we are going to be making Nigerian meat pie, and these are the ingredients we are going to use for the meat pie. Here we have sliced onion, we have bell pepper, we have carrots, we have seasoning. You can use any seasoning of your choice. We have pepper here, we have baking powder here, we have sugar. You can use sugar to your taste. Some people don't like much sugar, okay? Then we have egg. You can use as many eggs as you want, it's your choice. Then we have oil. Here I'm using oil because I've tried using butter and then I've used oil, so I've compared the both. It's the same thing, so you can use oil. So then I'm using oil. It will come out very nice. Then I have my milk here, I have my nutmeg here, my salt is here, I have my chicken here. You can use beef as well, but I'm using chicken. Then I have my potato, then I have my flour. I think I have 7 spoons of flour here because I'll be making larger quantity today. So please, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and turn on your notification button. And if you are an old subscriber, thank you for watching and keep watching. So guys, I'm going to make the sauce for the meat pie. I'm going to add my onion, then like 1 minute. I'll add my bell pepper in here. I wouldn't like it to overdo. My carrot, my seasoning. Like I said, you can use any seasoning of your choice. You can equally add your chicken before you add all these things. Maybe after putting your onion, you can add your chicken. It's your choice, okay? After like 1 minute, and add your potato. It's like potato. Chicken will be the last thing I'll add because I wouldn't like to fry the chicken that much. Here you can add your chicken. I'll add my pepper. Pepper is your choice, so add a little bit salt for taste. Cook for like 3 minutes again, then you bring it down. Right now I'm going to prep my flour for the meat pie, okay? So guys, I'm going to add my baking powder. You add all the dry ingredients first, okay? Then I'll add my salt. All these are, I added 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, and then ½ spoon of nutmeg. Then these 3 spoons of sugar. I told you sugar is, you add to your taste, okay? It's not everybody that likes sugar. And moreover, the milk I'm going to use contains a little bit of sugar. Then you mix thoroughly. I'm going to add my egg to this. Then I'll mix. Then I'm going to add my oil. I'm using oil instead of butter, okay? And this is going to come out very nice. And it saves money. After mixing like this, I'll use my hand. After mixing like this, I'm going to add this milk little by little. Milk is, I think, milk is a choice. You can use water. Then I'm going to add a little bit of milk. I will add little bit by little, okay? So this is the final outcome. I'm going to keep this for like 10 minutes. I'll cover it now. See the nature of the dough, very soft. So start the process of cutting it. You have to make it the way you want, the size you want. I'm going to add some egg. To use fork to give it this shape. Apply egg on top of this. Then I'm going to drop this one aside. That's the same one I'll do for all of them. I'm going to put it inside an oven at a temperature of 185. I'll make it for 50 minutes. So guys, this is the final outcome of this. Look, when you're done with it. I baked for 40 minutes. It's now up to 15 minutes like I said earlier. So after this, your meat pie is ready to be consumed. So and it's so crunchy. So you can see that butter, and they're using butter and oil is still the same thing. Okay. So it's your choice. Anyone you feel like using, you use. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. See you. I love you.